Hello, welcome to Inspiredfingers.com. My name is Joshua. So sorry you can't see my face and I can't see your face as well. It's because we're having a kind of technical difficulty. We are using the Dell right now. The HP is still at the hospital, so still being fixed. But I believe by God's grace, by next month beginning, we'll get it back and start from where we stopped. Okay, but right now we're talking about how to find the key of a song. Okay, I'm gonna make this as quick as possible. This is a kind of starter or a beginner video, okay, for this. Okay, and maybe later we do something much more in-depth. Okay, but for you to be able to recognize the key of a song, the first thing you have to know, or you have to train yourself with, is ear training. As in, you have to recognize sounds properly, okay, for you to be able to recognize the key of a song. If you can't recognize sounds, like if you press this and you can't hum alongside with it the way you heard it, if you can't do that well and you're playing this and you're humming, it's not working. No, that's a big off for you. Okay, so you have to recognize sounds accurately. So go to the website, go and participate in the ear training drills I gave you over there, part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay, it's fully loaded for you, just for you, so that you can be able to recognize sounds easily. Okay, so after doing that, after successfully knowing how to recognize sounds and humming alongside the way you heard it rightly, the next thing you have to do is to try figure out the resting note, or the home note, or the root note from your starting chord, your ending chord, and also chords that create a kind of resolution feeling in between the song. Okay, so the starting chord is always gonna be starting from the beginning of a song, and the ending chord is gonna be at the ending part of the song. Most times it goes from the 2 5 1. I'm using the key of C for easy illustration, so please bear with me. And in between the song there are some parts, okay, that there's a kind of resolution as well. Even though that's not the end of the song, it's still having a kind of home like feeling. Okay, so you have to understand the psychology of the song. When I say the psychology of the song, I mean the behavior of the song, the way the song moves. Sometimes it's going up, sometimes going down. Okay, so when it goes up we call it tension, but when it comes down and a kind of home like feeling, we're saying it's a kind of we are having a resolution over there. Okay, so that's what you have to understand. Okay, so let me go over with a song example, like the You Save Me drills we did. That's by R. Kelly. Okay, you save me, you save me, you save me, you save me, save me. You understand? It starts with the 1, it goes to the 2, sorry, it goes to the 2, goes to the 3, goes to the 4, then 4, 3, 2, 1. You can reap my chords. I mean, you can collect all these chords I played just now. It's still on the website. I showed you on every single key, so it's something you can have at the back of your hand or pull it from your belt anyhow you want to get it. Okay, so that's it. So it starts at the 1 chord and it ends at the 1 chord. So that's what I mean by the starting point and the ending point of a song. Okay, so you have to understand those points very well. Then extract the root of those chords. When you extract the root of that chord, you always get the home note, which is the root note, and that is the key of the song. Okay, so kudos, you have gotten it already. And let me illustrate whenever we're talking about in the middle of the song, okay, how to get that resolution point. Let me use this song More by Lawrence Flowers. Okay, I gave you more, more, more. Okay, look at the intro. I just hope you can hear it. The song is already going, even though they're not singing yet. Okay, just hear this. Now, they did something after playing a lot. They did. Yeah, I think I can remember that. Okay, it's been long I played the song. Ah, yeah. Mm. Okay, I'm using one hand to this. Okay, although when I was learning it, then we used two hands to do that. Okay, but right now I don't think I can do it. I don't want to try and spoil this video. Okay, but after the deed, they ended at this. Then they actually appreciated it. You know, you understand? All the worshiper, then as they're starting again, all the worshiper in me. You need to hear that. So let me rewind it and show you what happened. Okay, so listen. All the worshiper, you understand? So it's something you have to understand. Okay, this is something that exists in between the song. Okay, I mean, even though they have not started singing yet, but at least they played the intro first. Okay, so they did. Or the worshiper. So there's a one. So from this one chord, you can easily pick out the roots. Now, what's the root of this chord? This is a C major chord. Even though it's an add 2 chord, or even though it's a major 7th chord, even it's a major 9th chord, or even a major 11th chord, or even a major 13th, I can't extend that much. Okay, pity me. Let me see how I can do that. Don't mind me. Most times we twist it, or we actually do a kind of inversion over it. Okay, but don't mind me, I'm not teaching you extended chord. Okay, but even though it's a wide chord or whatever, the root remains the C, because that's a C major chord. Even if it's C major 7, C major add 9, C major 7 add 9, or whatever chord, provided it's a C chord, it's gonna be the root C. So that's the roots, that's your home notes, that's your key notes. I hope you get this. Okay, so I don't want to keep this video so long. Okay, we can release some other things. If you have further questions on this, no problem, you can always ask. Joshua Okposo is always here to help you. So thank you so much. At inspirefingers.com, we're always ready to help you to grow your music skills up. Okay, so thank you so much and God bless you. Hopefully you'll get our technical issues fixed by the month end. Okay, but for now, just bear with me, please. I hope you love the sound though. It's more crystal clear than what we were using before. Thank you so much. God bless you and stay blessed.